Okay. So
Mhm.
we're talking about email marketing, and in today's world, like when you hear email marketing, it's like saying someone left something in the toilet they forgot to flush and they let it soak there for a minute. It leaves like a bad ring residue. I want you to talk about email marketing and explain exactly what you're doing and how you're doing it. Because again, I know you hate spam. You're an email
Yeah.
marketer that completely hates spam. So like you're well aware of what I'm talking about. So let's talk about that.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm huge on not spamming people, and I don't like purchase lists, which I know a lot of people like to do today because it's an easy way to get email addresses. It's an easy way to just reach the most people. But with email marketing, it's so, even though it's all technical, you still are building human relationships.
Mm,
So it's hard to think that you can just get a list and blast a bunch of people and get business from it. And yes, that works, but you're also violating a lot of privacy laws on that. And because you're doing that, a lot of people might just ignore you because they've never seen you before. They've never been to your website. They've never seen you at an event. So they're thinking, I don't know this person. She probably just got my email address from some random email harvesting company and is emailing me, probably wants to sell me something. I'm going to leave it in my inbox or promotional inbox
mm,
and ignore it for the next 87 years. So
okay.
to me, that's just a waste of time and effort. So that's why I really like to help people to build their email list organically the way it should be through forms on the website, connect all of that to their marketing platform. And that way they know exactly who's interested in what are people looking at, what are they interested in. Let's email them about that and actually tell them how we help them versus just shooting blind.